Guys, welcome to Easy Art 47. Today I am going to draw the Yuji Fushiguro with his sword and his iconic animal. I don't know his name, but it's the very cute drawing and the most searched drawing after Somnath Kathwar had drawn this character. This character has been going on search and is on viral, so I have drawn this using my observational method. I use the basic shape to draw any character. I am the character artist also. I drew from the reference, but I also drew from the description, and I do the live, so I wanted you to join my live whenever you can, but especially on Saturdays and Sundays I do the live, so I hope you will join that and enjoy the process. This is I have given it in the real-time process, and as you can see I have used the only 0.5 mm mechanical pencil, which is not in good condition, as you can see, and I have just gone through the basic structure of the body. All character I drew through this way, and I drew the larger portion first, and then I do the tweaks according to the reference in the Pinterest or the something as given to me. So this is the full character, but up to the lower torso, not the full leg. So I drew, as you see, I drew the clothing according to it, though mostly I drew the full body and then I add cloth in addition, but here I thought that I will complete it in 12 minutes, but it took me around 17 minutes because I was looking very closely at the reference and I was trying to understand this cute character, which you will see in this video. And I don't know much about the character, but since I follow some of the big YouTuber, after that it came to my suggestion and search, so I thought why not to try. See, here I am drawing the weird shape. I don't know the name of that. It's like reptile, or you can say the lazy snake or something like that, but it was very fun to draw, as you see, and it is the main highlight of the character. I am drawing with the 0.5 mechanical pencil, and I am drawing it very not like up to somewhat what you can see on camera. And here with his mouth there is a chip attached to it, and now I will draw the hand that will hold the sword with the hairy fur on it. And how I drew it through the simple shapes and construction line. I follow the contour of the body and then I add the detail as I have already said, that I first drew the large part of the body and then I drew the little detail so that my proportion are always okay as I checked. And here I am going to draw the body of that reptile, that sleepy or the crazy reptile. And as you can see, it has many folds like the scales and it is like the big stone. So what I do, I drew the overall shape first and then I make this drawing. Now I am going to draw the folds of the pants, and here I am drawing the hands, the wrist. This is the sign, I don't know. He has many like veins and veins are coming at the area, and these are the abdomen area. He has got, this character is very built up and has got like 6-pack up. It has got more muscular than the normal comic book character, and or I will say the manga character. And the reference which I am using is written here, the AI modified character, so maybe it had more muscular to it. And here I draw the, as you can see, the palm shape, and as he is holding the sword, so the thumb is at us and all the fingers are curled up together like the fist, powerful fist. And here I am making all the forefinger with the thumb to show that the grip is very strong in it, and it has a very long weird kind of sword. In Hindi we call it talwar. And so now I realize here the animal which I drew is very small in proportion, so I drew it large and make the eyes a little bit larger to make it the sleepy effect. And then I drew the head. I will tweak it many times because drawing is not what come at first, it is always tweaks and twists, but the end result should look good. So if you have seen it here, you can comment that how do you feel it. But if you see in the live drawing, you will feel that only 9 minutes has passed and we have covered at most of the things that a character should have. And here I am making the, see, my pen has gone, so I changed my pen to 0.7 and it has the very far to it, so I decided to leave it like that. And the main part, how I brought the curve of the sword, कि हम तलवार का कैसे कर्व लाए हैं, और ये ज़्यादा हेवी भी नहीं लगना चाहिए. But see how it should look. And here is some of the tweaks I make, and I make it according to myself that it should not look over or under. And then I look at the proportion again, and it has very angry look to it. And the hair, I drew the hair as it is, but I only drew like the kind of giving it this way to it. And then I will draw the hand, and you see, while I draw the hand, I realized that it was not as much close as in the reference, though the proportions are right. So I rub my hand and adjust it as according to the reference image. So this is what character building is all about. You know the proportion and everything, but still you have to make the posture to look right, because as we know that each character is based upon the real life human character. If they have not in the case of exception, it is like something that it has like 4 arms or things, then that's the different thing. But it is based upon the real life illustration or the real life observation. We all see the lean man, the muscular man, the bodybuilder, the gym type man. So it is, you can say that it is the well built man. And here I drew the chain which is coming out of this kind of reptile, and as you see, the chain goes around his waist, not the waist, the above area. You can say that his abdomen or the upper torso below the chest part. And now I realize that I have made the hand very much closely. So what I do, I just give a little bit like his holding is a little far and from it, and see how I make. As I said, my proportions are right, but it was not according to the reference, so I change it a little bit, and it is not looking like it has attached like a doll, but it is looking as a whole part. And that's what mean in the character designing, that how we make the shapes look good. And the finger is the biggest area of problem, but somehow I able to draw it through. If reference is there, then it is good. If reference is not there, then I had my own way, just through the lining, to show the curve of the finger. And here he is holding the sword, and as you can see, I have made all the thing, and it is almost looking like the reference image. And just tell me how you find this video. There are few more tweaks I will do, and you will see how it is looking good. And This video, as I already said, has been inspired after Somnath Kathwar has done this through the grid method. I have done through my own observational method and the shapes, so that each of you can follow along. Some or of you are having doubt and how to take the grid, what is the measurement. So when you come to my life, I will fully explain that even if the paper is not according to the size like A4 or A3, A2, the standard size which we used to draw, or many of our fellow YouTubers, how you will calculate and how you will divide the proportion. But the best, there are many techniques of drawing the character. The best method is how you learn it fast and get your result going. So I hope if you have seen till here, you have a lot of patience, and thank you for watching up here. I have also make the female character, so if you want interested in that, I will put a link below the end of this video, and just tell how you